What would you do if you suddenly couldn't breathe and every second felt like your last? This is the story of Jake and the scariest moment of his life. Jake was just 25, healthy, active, and always on the move. But one evening, everything changed. He started feeling dizzy. His chest felt tight. Breathing became harder and harder. At first, he thought it was just stress, but then he collapsed. Jake woke up in a hospital bed. A mask covered his face, helping him breathe. Machines beeped around him. His heart was racing, but his body felt weak. Doctors moved quickly. "Stay calm," one of them said. "We've got you." But inside, Jake was terrified. For the first time in his life, he realized how fragile everything is. A few hours later, Jake opened his eyes, fully aware. The mask was removed. For the first time, he took a deep breath on his own. And in that moment, nothing had ever felt more powerful. Jake survived, but he never forgot that feeling of not being able to breathe. Because sometimes the simplest things in life, like breathing, are the most important. Don't take your health for granted. It only takes one moment to change everything.